January and we are celebrate this day National Festival of India. We celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am studying in 4th class. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 77th Republic Day. India got independence in 1947. After independence, we designed a constitution in 1950. That constitution came forth from this day. So,
Akshita, 5th class. Come first.
good morning everyone. My name is Akshita. I am studying 5th class. Today is 26 January. Today is our Republic Day. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is our national festival. I love my country very much. I am proud to be on an Indian. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Good morning everyone. My name is Lakshita. I am studying 1st class. Happy Republic Day to all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Next.
My name is Bhavya. I am studying 3rd class. Today we are celebrating 77th Republic Day. In 1947, India got freedom. 1915, our constitution came into effect. Thank you. Jai Bharat. Today is a national festival. This is a very special day for all India. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Next. Janani.